In this tutorial, we are discussing about how to use the while loop. First of all, what is while loop? The Java while loop is used to iterate a part of the program several times. If the number of iteration is not fixed, it is recommended to use while loop. Syntax: while condition, code to be executed, and curly braces close. So while loop is also known as precondition checking loop because we check the condition first and then we execute the loop. Here is the flow control of while loop. First of all, we have to check the condition. If the condition is true, then the statement besides the condition will execute. If the condition is false, then the loop terminates. Let's see the code how to use while loop. First of all, we make a class, public class while example, and inside the curly braces, we just make a main method, that is public static void main string args. And inside the main method, first of all, we initialize the variable, that is int I is equals to 1. And then we use a while statement and make a condition, that is I less than equals to 15. And then system.out.println I, and then just increase the value by 1 by using the increment operator. So what does it print? The loop will start from 1 and it ends at 15 because the condition is less than equals to 15, and it will increment by plus 1 value. Let's see it. First of all, we just save it and then compile it. Zavak while example .java. It compiles successfully. Let's execute it. Java while example. See, it will give the result from 1 to 15. If I change it from less than 10 and I print here hello while loop, then it will print hello while loop 9 times. Just check it. Again it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. See, it will print hello while loop 9 times. So in this way, we can use the while loop for calculating or iterating the loop in precondition check. Thank you.